Hi, as you must have already guessed by seeing the thumbnail, yes, we are going to discuss some commonly mispronounced words. And there is also a first part of this video that you can see by clicking on the I button, and that will lead you to the first part of this video. And in case if you don't want to take the pain, then at the end of the video, you can find the link of the first part of this video in the description box. There, in the first part of this video, I have included some very basic words that most of the people generally mispronounce. So you should definitely check out that video. Now, let's begin this video. Hi, my name is Soumya and welcome to my channel Let's Chat and Learn, because the more you chat, the more you learn. You know what? I feel like if you want to learn a language, so it's very important that you should also know the correct pronunciation. You should know how certain words in your target language are pronounced, isn't it? Tell me if I'm wrong. And that is why I'm here to help you with your pronunciation. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe and also hit the like button. Did you subscribe? Come on, subscribe. So let me tell you, some of the words that I have included in this video are the words that even I have mispronounced many times until I finally corrected them. And that is why this is going to be a very important video for you, because these are the words we mispronounce a lot without even realizing the correct pronunciation. So let's begin the video. Number one is this word. Well, what do you think how we pronounce this word? It's tuition. Tuition. What do you think? Well, the correct pronunciation of this word is tuition. Tuition. It's weird, na? It's kind of weird to hear this word tuition, but that is the correct pronunciation. If you doubt me, you can go and check out in the dictionaries. This is the correct pronunciation. And it is kind of weird that all our lives we have been pronouncing this word in a wrong way, like tuition, but it's tuition. Tuition. This is the correct pronunciation. Okay, in a sentence, it's hard to get a good tuition teacher these days. Next is almond. Almond. Can you see the letter L here? We don't pronounce it. The L here is always silent. So it is always pronounced as almond. Almond. In a sentence, soaked almonds in the morning are really good for health. So number 3 is cupboard. Cupboard. We don't pronounce it as cupboard. That's a wrong pronunciation. Cupboard is the correct pronunciation. There are 2 syllables in this word. First one is ka and second one is bird. It kind of sounds like bird. So it is cupboard. Cupboard, right? In a sentence, I've got a lot of useless stuff in my cupboard. You can practice it with me. I have got a lot of useless stuff in my cupboard. Cupboard. Okay, next word is definitely. Definitely. I have heard a lot of people pronounce this word as definitely, but this is a wrong pronunciation. Definitely is the correct pronunciation. In a sentence, you are definitely going to improve your English if you continue to watch my videos, isn't it? Next is this word. It looks like it is easy to pronounce, but the pronunciation of this word is a bit tricky. We pronounce it as clothes. Clothes. We get this slight TH sound at the end. Clothes. Clothes. And also the S sound. That's why it's a bit tricky to pronounce. It's clothes. Clothes. Right. Most people pronounce it as cloths. Never say that. It's a wrong pronunciation. It is clothes. Clothes. Right. And you know what? Most native speakers pronounce this word just like the verb close the door or close the window. They pronounce it just like the verb clothes. I wear clothes. You have your clothes. I have a lot of clothes. But that's not exactly the correct way of pronouncing this word. But when they speak very quickly, they tend to pronounce it like clothes. But it would be more appropriate to get that slight TH sound at the end. So it is clothes. Clothes is more appropriate to say. So in a sentence, I always keep my clothes neat and clean. You can practice it with me. I always keep my clothes neat and clean. Next is probably. probably. A lot of people pronounce it as probably, but that's a wrong pronunciation. Probably, that bubbly sound should come at the end. So probably is the correct pronunciation. In a sentence, I will probably not talk to him after what happened today. You can practice it with me. I will probably not talk to him after what happened today. Next is yolk. Yolk. Now a lot of people also pronounce this L sound over here, so they pronounce it as yolk, which is a wrong pronunciation. This L is always silent, and that is why we don't pronounce it. So it is yolk. Yolk. In a sentence, the yellow part in the middle of an egg is called egg yolk. You can practice it with me. The yellow part in the middle of an egg is called egg yolk. Now, how do you think this day of the week is pronounced? Is it Saturday or Saturday? How do you pronounce it? Well, it is pronounced as Saturday. Saturday. Or you can also pronounce it like the Americans pronounce it, Saturday. Saturday. The slight R sound is there in American English, but if you want to go with the British English, so it is Saturday. Saturday. Right. In a sentence, last Saturday I went to meet a friend. You can practice it with me. Last Saturday I went to meet a friend. Next is this word. Now, how do you think you pronounce this month? Is it April or April? How do you pronounce it? Well, April is the correct pronunciation. There are two syllables in this word. First one is A and the second one is pril. So it is April. April. And never say April. That's really wrong. So it is April. April. In a sentence, what is the fourth month of the year? Well, it is April. You can practice it with me. What is the fourth month of the year? Come on, say it. It is April. Yes. Next is this word. Now tell me, how do you pronounce this word? Is it asthma? Well, it's a wrong pronunciation, let me tell you. We don't pronounce it as asthma. Although there are two very popular pronunciation of this word. First is American English and second is British English. Although that's where we stuck a lot. Whether we should follow British English or American English, well, that's totally up to you. You can choose whatever pronunciation you like. So in American English, we pronounce this word as asthma. Asthma. We get this Z sound in the beginning. Asthma. And in British English, we pronounce it as asthma. Asthma. There is no Z sound here in the British English. So it is asthma. Now you can choose however you like to pronounce this word. Asthma or asthma, whatever suits you. So in a sentence, because of the rising pollution, asthma has become a common disease among people. You can practice it with me. Because of the rising pollution, asthma has become, or asthma has become, a common disease among people. Next word is dengue. Dengue. Yes, we pronounce it as dengue and not dengue. Okay, dengue is not the right pronunciation. It is always pronounced as dengue. Dengue. In a sentence, dengue fever is a mosquito-borne disease caused by dengue virus. You can practice it with me. Dengue fever is a mosquito-borne disease caused by dengue virus. Yes. So our last mispronounced word is salon. Salon. Now, do you also pronounce it as saloon? Because I definitely used to pronounce it as saloon until I didn't know that it is pronounced as salon. There are two syllables in this word, sa and lon. So it is pronounced as salon. Salon. Right. In a sentence, I think I need to go to a salon to get a haircut. You can practice it with me. I think I need to go to a salon, yes, to get a haircut. And now I have a little question for you. I want to know which one of these words was actually difficult for you. Was it tuition or cupboard or any other word, or which one of these words you didn't know how to pronounce and now you do. You can write them down in the comment section below. I would love to know that. And I hope that you loved watching this lesson and also learned something new today, because that's my goal. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.